there was a double murder case reported in the area of the police station Fatorda, and considering the gravity of the offence, multiple teams were formed from subdivision Margao and subdivision Vasco. During the preliminary investigation, we gathered some clues, and the scooty which was missing from the scene of offence was also later on traced to Vasco Railway Station. However, there was no much details available about the missing laborers in the family, victim family. But through our sustained efforts, we developed local intelligence and we gathered some clues. Based on technical analysis and local intelligence, we traced the location of the suspects in the area of Dadar Mumbai. Accordingly, a team was sent immediately, and with the help of our counterparts in Mumbai, that is the local police, we were able to intercept them and we apprehended them, and they are being brought to Goa. They will be reaching shortly. And these three were employed by the victim family, and they were residing in their backyard. And they have confessed to the gruesome murder, and further details will follow after they are properly interrogated and further investigation is conducted.
Name, sir?
Their names are Akash, Aditya and Rabin. They are 20 years and 18 years of age respectively. Two are from Jharkhand and one is from Bihar.